right, here we got a rat rod here. Look at that. Almost looks like the front end of a tractor.
Might be.
Huh.
It does look like more like it.
Yeah, it does. For protection purposes.
Huh? It's cool though.
Yeah, it is. They always are when you turn around and put a bunch of pieces all together.
Yeah. It's going to be a lot of fun to work on. Yeah.
Look at that. Even got the little measures right there. Ha. Cool. Look at that. See the inside of this. All right. Oh, gas tank on top there. Look at that. Chevrolet. That windshield. A little rusty. Cool.
Can you throw me a lighter?
Fuel tank.
Yeah, I saw that in the back like that. That's how they used to do it. All right. There you go. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Look at that. All taped up like this. Be sure to sub me. Join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more, whatever we see. Bye-bye now.